Hello friends, so this is Nida Fatima and I'm recording this video that how you can make acknowledgement if you have made any report or any project. For any project, how you can get the best acknowledgement. So purposely I have divided. Normally you can make the way you like, right? There is no particular format for acknowledgement, but still, what I prefer is to divide the acknowledgement as in fractions so that we can use it accordingly. So I've divided my acknowledgement in four parts. Number one, we will acknowledge the senior who had our, who was our head. Then number two, हमने acknowledge करना है अपने guide का. Number three is the company we're working in, the company we're making research on, and number four is our family. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर acknowledgement का हमने alignment center रखना है. Now we will start our acknowledgement. Alignment should be always justified. Look, last में हम लोग करेंगे. तो first of all, how to start? What is acknowledgement? Acknowledgement क्या होता है? To thank the people जिसने आपकी रिसर्च में, आपके प्रोजेक्ट में, आपकी फाइल बनाने में हेल्प की है. ठीक है, तो this is the acknowledgement on university level, and here you can take the fractions as per your requirement. ठीक है, आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग, अगर आपका कोई सीनियर नहीं है आपके फाइल में, आप सिर्फ खुद बना रहे हैं, then you can only add your family. And if you have any research project on any company, then you can add the company, their heads and all, right? So how we will start? Number one, we will acknowledge the senior person under whom we will get trained, right? The foremost, number one, you need to remove all the red and blue lines from your report, right? The foremost, I would like to show my senior, my sincere, basically, gratitude to the assistant. So I'm making this acknowledgement as per the research project I am into. So I was under the assistant manager and HR of HR department. I was doing an HR internship, and there was Mr. Kuldeep Rana, was my head of the company's name, Chandrapur Works PVT, PVT LTD, right? For giving me throughout, it's guiding, for guiding me throughout the internship and giving me all the information I required for the project, right? Now a little bit of extension in his appreciation. I appreciate his patience, motivation, zest during the training period, and sharing his immense knowledge, right? His assistance, wrong. His assistance during the entire training was great to help me in learning the process swiftly. Here you can change the words, right? You can use the synonyms or you can write your own words. Now here we need to make the justify alignment always. That looks standard form, right? I guess there is something wrong. So our first fraction, first part, that is to acknowledge the senior, is done. Now we will acknowledge our guide, the guide provided by the university. Now along with it, now you don't need to add and. You need to use different phrases to make it look more proficient. Along with it, I would like to pay my thanks. Always use different words, no repetition of the words, right? To the head of the division. Here you have to change as per your uh, department, right? Nikhil Verghese. He was the R department of head of the department basically. Verghese of the USB, right? Who allotted me an internship guide, Miss Silky Village. Okay, one more thing I need to mention is that whenever you are using your anyone's name, your professor or anyone name, and you're writing Miss, so after that you don't need to write sir or ma'am, right? As a suffix, as you have already used Miss as prefix, right? So here you just need to avoid using sir or ma'am, just write their full name. I will write his designation as well. Assistant professor. She was an assistant professor. For the direction and regular supervision, and also for giving me this excellent opportunity of doing internship to get a practical insight of working in the corporate world. Again, here we need to remove all the red lines and blue lines because it shows the error you have committed, and hence we don't have to share any kind of error in our report or in any project. Now next, second section is also completed. We have acknowledged our guide. Now we need to acknowledge the company we worked in. Besides this, I would like to extend my gratitude to the company Chandar. So my company was Chandarpur Works Ph.D. Private Limited, right? Who accepted my letter of internship and provided me space in their organization and allowed me to put into practice my theoretical knowledge and do a research project. Here you can write and conduct a research project and conduct a research project for their company that will benefit them in recruitment policies in the future. Right now, okay, so what was our last section is family. Now we need to acknowledge a family and the report and the acknowledgement is done. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my parents, siblings, and friends for the support. For supporting me. For supporting me throughout the internship and making things convenient for me. And this is done. Let me remove the errors. Here is one error, another error. No, it should be this only. Here is another error, and throughout, it was throughout. Convenient spelling is wrong. Done. We need to justify this, the alignment. Here is something wrong. No, it's fine. See, it's irremovable, right? We need to do something else. Benefit them in recruitment policies in the future. No, nothing is happening. If you just let it be here. Let me complete this first. And then at last, just write your name. Okay, so this is moving. This is a bit. Let me decrease the font size. Now it's fine. And my name is Nita Fatima, and just write your UID or whatever your code is, and you're done. This is your acknowledgement. Okay, so one thing I would like to mention is that you don't need to write everything in your acknowledgement. This is all your choice. I have explained you up to the extent ki how long you can extend your acknowledgement, but it is your choice if you want to write only these lines, if you want to write only these lines, or if you want to write these starting lines only. Okay, you can do that ki first paragraph लिख लिया and then after that you just acknowledge your friends. It is all of your choice. Okay, and I hope it is helpful to you. Happy learning. Bye bye, take care.